Hello friends, welcome to this edition of Diversey's 2-Minute Drill. My name is Larry Singley and today's topic is going to be on LVT, better known as luxury vinyl tile. Sometimes it's referred to as luxury vinyl plank, as you can see here before me. It's a very popular substrate. You see it in a lot of retail locations, a lot of hospitality/hotels. You see it in a lot of healthcare certainly, and you even see it in residential areas as well, including my own home. The reason it's so popular is it's relatively inexpensive compared to other substrates. It's very easy to take care of if you do it properly, and it's very, very, very durable. A couple of things that you need to keep in mind. First, be aware of your warranties on your floor. And number two is most of these floors simulate wood, and they actually have a wood grain in them, so they're textured. So you're going to have to use something like a light to medium tensile nylon brush. If you do have a smooth surface, you can use a blue or a green pad. And what you will notice is it comes from the factory with a factory coating on it. And during wear and tear, daily traffic, you're going to start seeing it become dull, maybe in the middle and shiny on the sides. That's going to show you that it's time to do some maintenance on the floor. Now, there's a couple of things that you can do with this. Number one, you can use something like a Profi, Diversey Profi, that's a deep scrub cleaner, very good deep scrub cleaner. If it's really bad and you've had a high traffic, you can use something like Diversey's Lino-Safe Stripper. And once you get it all cleaned, then you can come back with something like the Diversey Paste Mop here with your no maintenance flooring emulsion at a 50-50. That's 50% chemical and 50% water. You can put 2 coats down and walk away. It's going to give you a nice luster, a nice shine. It's going to provide some type of protection for you, and it's actually going to kind of walk off. It's not a traditional finish like a traditional Diversey finish. If you want more information on this, you can actually go to your favorite search platform, type in Diversey Digital Tool, and we have a video on there under the Floor Care tab about how to take care of LVT. We hope this has been beneficial for you. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your Diversey representative or call our technical customer support at 1-800-558-2332, option number 1. We look forward to seeing you at the next episode of Diversey's 2-Minute Drill.